Instruction number 2. If you see something particularly strange, alert the authorities. As you can imagine, alien activity can be rather shocking to witness. So, in your best interest, if you see something strange or suspicious, immediately dial 0 on your telephone to speak with your provider and get them to call the authorities. There are several things that could fall under suspicious Martian activity, such as loud horns in the distance, large vibrations, screaming, crying, death or cadavers, black smoke, powdered remains, or any sign of a tripod in general near your location. Along with this, there are several signs of tripod activity you must be on high alert for. This includes 3 large circular footprints, fires, burnt trees or buildings, collapsed buildings, and traces of a substance known as red weed. Be sure to be wary of any signs or warnings set up by military when passing through a certain area. This will usually be a symbol of a Martian or a tripod inside of a red or yellow triangle. Red weed is thought to be a plant which the Martians are growing on our planet, likely as a food source. However, to fertilize red weed, the tripods will go through a process which is incredibly distressing to witness. If you see a tripod with a human, and the tripod punctures the human with a large needle, do not act. There is nothing you can do now. It is to be assumed that the needle removes all blood from the body and liquefies the surrounding organs, killing the human. The tripod will then collect this blood and will spray it into the air. This will eventually quickly grow the red weed. Do not touch the red weed. Do not alert the tripods to your presence. There is always usually more than one tripod in a given location when harvesting. If you witness tripods harvesting humans, all you can do is alert the authorities and quietly exit the area. If you see red weed, but do not see tripods, exit the area and alert the authorities. Stay on the grass. Do not follow the red weed. Where there is red weed, there is death. Also, there is another circumstance in which you must be extremely cautious of. If you see a Martian, do not alert them to your presence under any circumstances. The aliens will look extremely similar to their machine counterparts. They have 3 legs, with 3 toes attached to a large head. They have 2 smaller 2-fingered arms under their spade-shaped head, and they have 2 large eyes and a mouth. They are largely colorless, but also may have an accent of blue, red, green, or other bright colors. It is to be assumed that these entities are extremely dangerous. Alert the authorities if you see any of them outside of their tripods. Evidence of Martians near your location include footprints with 3 toes, trashed rooms, idle tripods, strange noises like clicking or screeching, signs set up by the military with a symbol of a tripod or, more likely, a Martian, and several warns. Do not attempt to make contact with these Martians. As previously stated, it is to be assumed that these Martians are incredibly dangerous and may attempt to capture you in order to harm you or harvest you. Instruction number 3. Remember that it is okay to give up.